Algorand cost truly equivalent to $0.1782 a coin, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.1767 0.1792, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 0.1789 in an unpretentious way. The change basically was 0.0007, 0.39% in a truly significant way. Opposite rate, USD to ALGO, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month and in every way that really matters, large way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.18, kind of greatest 0.19, in every practical sense, least 0.17, which in a real sense is very huge. Algorand figure on Friday, May 5, cost $0.18, especially greatest 0.19, most certainly least 0.17, most certainly further appearance how Algorand conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost $0.18, exceptionally greatest 0.19, sort of least 0.17 in an especially huge manner. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.18, genuinely most extreme 0.19, truly least 0.17 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.18, genuinely most extreme 0.19, especially least 0.17 in a kind of significant manner. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.18, sort of greatest 0.19, in every way that really matters, least 0.17. Algorand estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.18, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.19, least 0.17 in an especially significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.17, certainly most extreme 0.18, exceptionally least 0.16, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Algorand estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.17, exceptionally greatest 0.18, truly least 0.16, genuinely further appearance how Algorand figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.18, most extreme 0.19, truly least 0.17, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.17, essentially most extreme 0.18, sort of least 0.16 in an especially large manner. In about 14 days Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.17, for the most part greatest 0.18, kind of least 0.16 in a huge way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.17, sort of greatest 0.18, extremely least 0.16, showing how Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.18, most certainly greatest 0.19, especially least 0.17, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Algorand conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost $0.17, beautiful most extreme 0.18, exceptionally least 0.16 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.16, certainly most extreme 0.17, fundamentally least 0.15, or so they really thought. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.14, by and large most extreme 0.15, certainly least 0.13, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.14, genuinely greatest 0.15, in every way that really matters, least 0.13, exhibiting how in 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, essentially least 0.13, or so they generally thought. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.13, beautiful most extreme 0.14, by and large least 0.12, exhibiting how Algorand estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.17, greatest 0.18, lovely least 0.16, exceptionally further appearance how Algorand figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.18, certainly most extreme 0.19, certainly least 0.17 in an essentially significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.13, beautiful greatest 0.14, really least 0.12 in a truly significant way. Algorand estimate on Monday, May 29, cost $0.13, beautiful greatest 0.14, fundamentally least 0.12, which all things considered, is very critical. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.13, essentially greatest 0.14, exceptionally least 0.12 in an extremely enormous way. In about a month, Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.13, by and large greatest 0.14, truly least 0.12, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.13, by and large greatest 0.14, most certainly least 0.12 in an especially significant manner. Algorand conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost $0.13, essentially greatest 0.14, certainly least 0.12. So in about a month, Algorand gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.13, genuinely most extreme 0.14, most certainly least 0.12 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ALGO conversion standard sort of equivalent to 5.6117 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S reach 5.580 minus 5.6593 in a by and large significant manner. The past day, S nearby 5.5897, which sort of is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0220, plus 0.39% in an unpretentious way. USD to ALGO cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a significant manner. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost 5.556 coins, genuinely greatest 5.882, especially least 5.263, exhibiting how Algorand estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, in every practical sense, least 0.13, or so they really thought. USD to ALGO forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 5.556 coins, truly greatest 5.882, for the most part least 5.263, which really is very huge. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 5.556 coins, kind of most extreme 5.882, essentially least 5.263, which fundamentally shows that in multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.18, greatest 0.19, especially least 0.17. USD to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 5.556 coins, essentially greatest 5.882, exceptionally least 5.263 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 5.556 coins, kind of greatest 5.882, genuinely least 5.263, showing how Algorand estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $0.17, sort of most extreme 0.18, sort of least 0.16, in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 5.556 coins, really greatest 5.882, most certainly least 5.263, showing how Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $0.13, extremely greatest 0.14, in every practical sense, least 0.12, which sort of is